Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And guys, this body is a important design and this is a wing nut design and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Guys, today discuss here all today drafting is also available here, and this is a front view and this is a top view and this is right view, and this body is looking perfect, okay. And this body is a wing nut design, and this is isometric view, and this body is a today drafting is also, and this is a top view and front view and this right view, okay. This is a help of this body is designed easily and clearly, okay. And this body is looking perfect, and this body is very helpful, okay. This is a perfect and correct, okay. And this body is looking perfect, and so nice looking here, and this thread is also available here, and this thread is a M7 multiply 1 M7 size 7 millimeter, and this is a size M7 and pitch is 1 millimeter, and all is perfect and correct, okay. This body is designed, how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Guys, let's start here this body is design, okay. Okay, and at first select a part, and some setting is a very important. Image quality is very high because this board is looking perfect, okay. And this plane is white, okay. Okay, all is perfect, and this 2D drafting is a okay. At first drawing this 24 millimeter, this circle is drawing here, and this circle is a 16 millimeter, and both side is a upward and downward. This is a 16 millimeter, and this back side is a 24 millimeter, and use this lofted boss and create this body, and this cutout is a 10 millimeter and use a thread, okay. At first select a plane is top plane, and this is a plane is created here, okay. And this length is 16 millimeter, okay. This length is 16 millimeter, this is a 16 millimeter, okay. And at first select a top plane, sketch, drawing a big circle, and big circle is 24 millimeter, okay. This is a 24 millimeter is correct, okay. And this is a correct, and exit, and select this plane, sketch normal, and again select this circle is drawing a small, and this align a dimension, this diameter is a 16 millimeter is perfect, and exit. And both circle is drawing here, okay. And both circle is drawing here easily and clearly, and use a lofted boss. And at first circle is automatic, this profile is select here, and next circle is select this, okay. This is a perfect, and this is a correct, okay. And click, this is a okay. This is a perfect, okay. This body is drawing here, and click OK, and this plane is hide because this body is looking perfect, okay. This is a perfect, and this cutout is a 10 millimeter, and drawing a circle, and align this dimension, and this diameter is a 10 millimeter is cut out, and cutout is a through all, and extrude cut is apply here and use a through all. Okay, through all is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this body is looking perfect. And next is a use a thread is very important, and use a thread, and thread is a this click this okay, and apply this, and offset is a 3 millimeter and direction is okay. This is a perfect. And guys, this is a very important point is discussed here, and this offset is 3 millimeter is direction is reverse direction, and this length is 20 millimeter, and metric type is very important, and size is m7 and pitch is 1. Okay, m7 multiply 1, size is m7 and pitch is 1 millimeter, and okay, all is this cut thread is okay, and this use a right-handed thread. Okay, all is perfect, and this thread is a apply here, and this thread is activated this thread, and thread is very nice looking here, and material is apply here and use a chromium plate. Okay, and this body is looking also okay. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, next is a okay, next is use here this is a this wing is created here, and this length is 18 millimeter, and this distance is 20 millimeter, and this circle is drawing here, and this red diameter is 17 millimeter. Okay, at first select a right plane and sketch normal. Okay, and at first draw a center line and drawing a midpoint to this origin point, and click OK. And this is this select a line edge and use a convert entities. Okay, and at first drawing a circle is a this circle is drawing here, and this align a dimension, and this dimension is a 17 millimeter. Okay, okay, and this distance is a this to this okay, and this distance is a this to this is a 18 millimeter, and this to this distance is a 20 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and some line is created here, this to this. Okay, automatic select a tangent, and next is a next line is click here, and this to this. Okay, and also use this to this is a tangent. Okay, and trim use this is a cutout. Okay, this wing is created here easily, and all dimension is perfect. Okay, and use a mirror, and mirror is a this all is select here, and click this about this. Okay, and this wing is also created here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is better, and apply a extrude boss and select a mid plane, and this thickness is 5 millimeter, because this thickness is 5 millimeter is correct, and click OK. This wing is also perfect. and some is hole is this space is created here, and okay, and sketch and use a convert entities and extrude boss is 1 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a full fill, and also use this sketch and convert entities and use a extrude boss, and 1 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a, and some use this body is extra, but this body is cut out, and select this face sketch and use convert entities and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a, okay, this is a 5 millimeter, direction is downward, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and flip side to cut, click OK. Okay, not all is cut here. Okay, all is perfect. And next is use a, this is a very important point is discussed here. 1 millimeter and 1 minute, this is a correct, but this fillet is 1.2 millimeter, and both side is correct fillet, and use a fillet is a 1.2, and select this first, second, and use this is a this to this, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and also this click okay, and this edge is select here, and okay, this is a perfect, and click OK, and click this to this, and 0.5 is better. Okay, 0.5 is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and next is this is a correct, and next is all is perfect, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a, and also fillet is used here, and this is a 2 millimeter, and select this to, okay, 1, okay, 0.5, okay, and click a fillet. Fillet is a 0.2, click this to this. Okay, and some important point is discussed here, and this fillet is used here, and this fillet is a, okay, and this is a 4 is better. Okay, some point is a, okay, this fillet is a both, okay, Okay, this is undo is back side, and also create this extrude boss and use a okay direction is downward and use a flip side to cut and this is a okay. And next is at first select a fillet is this is a 1 millimeter and select this okay, and this is a this to select this and this, and 2 millimeter is better. 2 millimeter is also 1.2 is 1.2 is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And next fillet is used here 1.2 is select this and this and this all 4 edges, select here and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. And use again fillet, and fillet is 0.5 millimeter, and this is a select here this first and second and okay fourth, and this is use a fifth and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here and all is perfect and correct. This is a better and all is perfect and this is a correct. Okay guys, all point is discussed here guys. I hope you will learn all point is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.